Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize WordPress plugins with Jetpack, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your WordPress admin dashboard. Navigate to the plugins section on the left-hand menu. Look for the Jetpack plugin and ensure it is installed and activated. Once activated, click on the Jetpack option in the menu. This will direct you to the Jetpack settings page. Here, you'll see various modules that Jetpack offers. Start with the performance settings to improve your site's loading speed. Enable the Site Accelerator feature to speed up your images and static files. Next, scroll to the sharing settings. Connect your social media accounts to automatically share your posts. Now, proceed to the security settings. Activate the downtime monitoring feature to receive alerts when your site is down. Then, review the backup options if available. Consider enabling real-time backups for your WordPress site. This is crucial for securing your data. Next, move to the traffic settings. Activate related posts to keep visitors engaged on your site. Ensure that the Site Stats feature is also enabled to track your visitor data. After configuring these options, review your changes. Click Save Settings at the bottom of each section. To optimize further, check for updates regularly. Visit the Jetpack dashboard for any new features or improvements. Lastly, monitor your website's performance after making these changes. This will help you identify any areas needing further optimization. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.